Sending a circuit board to fabrication and have a GTS solder mask file? This defines the protective coating layer on the top of your PCB. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Gerber top solder mask files. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single GTS file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A GTS file is a standard CAD file used in the electronics industry for designing and manufacturing printed circuit boards, PCBs. It specifically defines the solder mask layer for the top side of the board. Engineers and designers use this file to ensure components are soldered correctly and to prevent short circuits. The Gerber format is a 2D vector image format, typically ASCII-based, containing commands that define the shapes and paths for the PCB plotter. The GTS extension is a convention, not a strict requirement, to identify the top solder mask layer, making the manufacturing workflow more organized and less error-prone. The GTS format has primary linkage to the Altium Designer application by Altium Limited. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. Open the context menu by right-clicking your GTS file and choosing Open With. Try Altium Designer first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If the GTS file is still giving you trouble, relax. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, viewing in Gerber viewers. Open the GTS file in free Gerber viewers like GerbView KiCad's GerbView ViewMate or Pentalogic's ViewMate. These applications display the solder mask layer with measurement tools and layer combination capabilities for design verification before sending files to manufacturers. Next, loading in CAM software. Import the GTS file into PCB CAM software like CAM 350 or GC Preview alongside other Gerber layers. The KM tools combine all layers for comprehensive manufacturing analysis, including design rule checking. Engineers verify solder mask alignment with copper pads and component placement before fabrication. Finally, sending to fabrication. Include the GTS file with complete Gerber file set when submitting designs to PCB fabricators. Modern manufacturers accept Gerber X2 format directly with all layers, including solder mask drill files and silkscreen. Verify file completeness using your fabricator's pre-production checklist before submission. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.